Tripura Hasteo Malaria Turwk Bangwi Tongmani Nwthakna Abonoti Malaria Nirmul Prokolpo Regional Beramni Kokchap Panda Swrangchati Dati Dodora Cherinainani Dati Malaria Bemana Yagotunani Jarawa Malaria Bemar Mwthakna Shaknarinani Ate Hai Samung Lukurok Shaknaya Mani Bagwi No Hasteo Malaria Bangwi Tongkha Turwk Tini Swrangchati Malaria Nirmul Prokolponoti Northeast Beramni Kokchap Panda Swrangchati Kokchap Panda Kokchap Shakdok Tang Bedekni Secretary Kiran Gite Saltham Romoi Kokchap Panda Khwlai
Northeastern states and some other states in the country are still facing the problem of malaria infections, and Government of India has been supporting us all along. In the last few years, we have seen some decline in the malaria. In many districts like Tripura, we are now only left with one district, Khwlai. The other districts have a normal pattern, but then the challenges remain. And with the launching of Intensified Malaria Elimination Program 3, where the target has been set to reduce the new indigenous malaria cases by 2027. So our task is cut out, and as mentioned by Saju Bahir, we have taken some novel steps keeping in view the challenges of Tripura, mainly the screening during the dry season. And we have tried to control the spread of the parasite. Our field officials have shown immense commitment, and the level of testing has been increased in last few years. And we have been able to contain at least the deaths which used to occur due to malaria. But then our target should be in the rubber gardens, in the jute cultivation areas, the areas near water bodies, where people are still getting infected with this and there is a spread. It is also our duty to make sure that all the LLIMs, all the medicines are available in sufficient quantity, and there is a follow-up on the treatment. So I am sure that the deliberations of this review meeting will be useful in achieving the goals of IMEP 3. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you to this review meeting, and we are looking forward to the guidance by the Secretary Madam. Thank you very much.
Class 10, 12 pioneer in Bagwi kya kotma kaham. Dyna Group of Institute Bangalore to free admission. 3 eligible students in Bagwi government scholarship for yanai. Roni courses available to GNM and BSc Nursing, BBBSc, MSc, Paramedical and Pharmacy, BBA, BCA, BCom and MBA. College fee nibawi hinke na 199 mani government scholarship by na pore mainai. Hostel fee moha 4,500 monthly marinai. Seats soha limited and boye dai free na number of contact khedi to admission la rodi.
इस रथ यात्रा के पावन अवसर पर स्वर्ण कमल ज्वेलर्स लेकर आया है स्वर्ण वर्षा 1 जुलाई से 25 जुलाई तक। अपना पुराना गोल्ड उसकी प्योरिटी के हिसाब से कंप्लीट वैल्यू पर एक्सचेंज कीजिए। पाइए गोल्ड ज्वेलरी के मेकिंग चार्ज पर 30% ऑफ और डायमंड ज्वेलरी के मेकिंग चार्ज पर 100% ऑफ। हर परचेज पर अशोर्ड गिफ्ट्स भी, और सिर्फ बिल अमाउंट का 25% पे करके अपना गोल्ड रेट आज ही बुक कीजिए। तो इस रथ यात्रा खुशियों के साथ बचतों की भी हो। स्वर्ण वर्षा, स्वर्ण कमल ज्वेलर्स, विश्वास, गुणवत्ता और बेहतरीन डिजाइन का नाम। टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अप्लाई।